Hey Hedgies, how you doing? I'm Jane Sarche. I write recipes for a living. I've got an awesome food blog called hedgecombers.com. This is Myrtle. She's my beautiful little camper van, and it's in this teeny weeny little kitchen that I bring you some awesome one-pan camping recipes. We're going to do the quickest noodle recipe in the whole wide world ever. So are you ready? Let's go! Pop some oil in a hot pan, and then we're going to cook up our onion. I've got a small red onion, and I've also got some green beans in here. You want to put something green in an ideal world in your noodles. Johnny hates green beans, but he also hates prawns, so this one is just for me. And you just want to fry that over a hot heat for a few minutes. As always, you'll find the full recipe in the description box below. Feel free to go and copy and paste that. So what's your go-to recipe when you're out camping? Is it pot noodle? Or is it something a little bit more inventive? Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if there are any meals that you get stuck on or ideas that the whole family will eat. Leave me your camping food woes in the comments below, and let me have a little think on how I can help you guys and come up with some good recipes for you. Okay, next up you're going to put your... Oh no, stop doing that. It's too slidey, this pan. Stop it. I say stop it. Okay, after a couple of minutes, then pop in your chilli, your lemongrass, and your garlic. Oh, and there's ginger in there as well. 30 seconds in the pan with those. Okay, next up we've got some prawns. These were frozen and they're obviously defrosted, but obviously you can use fresh, whatever you can get your little paws on. I'm also using some straight to wok noodles. There's that chilli. It's making me choke. So straight to straight to knock noodles. Pop a packet of them in. Good squeeze of lime juice. Splash of soy sauce. We'll turn that heat down now. And would you look at that? Oh, dinner's ready in like 6 3/4 minutes. So there you go. What can I say? Dead easy, dead quick. I hope you give this one a go on your next camping trip. If you enjoyed it, then obviously please give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe because I bring out new one-pot camping recipes every Wednesday. And if you know a camping buddy or two that you think would really enjoy this recipe, then please would you do me a favour and share it with them too. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. So without further ado, I will catch you in the next recipe. And until then, happy camping.